Alright, June 2nd, 2021. Tyler Hayes here. 2053, coming to you from Ladysmith for a little action tonight. Man, later this week, the heat's really gonna be on because we'll have forecast highs for Saturday, especially this coming Friday. And we might see highs in the 90s. Might break some records in some places. So it'll be probably a good time to be prepared to stay hydrated, stay in a cool and shaded location. Always check up on relatives and neighbors, especially the elderly, during the hot period of high temperatures during the day. Earlier this afternoon we had the S773. Now it should be continuing its journey to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, after making its run to Pekegama. Since we had the 3028 and the 2949 and 2862 on there. Yesterday evening, as of about 2040, as I was south of Ladysmith, had the U724 show up, and it had 4 100 anniversary logo units on there on its trip down to Louisiana. We had the 3892 again. This time it had a couple of tier 4s, second and third out. That would be the 3219 and the 3224. And the rear DPU was the 3883 as well, once again. There could be a possibility for a Heritage or a Veterans unit to make an appearance either tomorrow or going into the weekend, because as far as traces go, 3015, the first Veterans, was last traced in Oba, Ontario, Canada. And the 8898 with the IPO 25 sticker was in Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Otherwise, enough said. Let's hang tight and see who will show up to begin the short period here for me. Alright, 2113 northbound air showed up. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Gevo in front. '66 again. About that. Q199. I wasn't expecting a Q train tonight, but I'll take it. Sorry, I didn't copy that there because, like I said, it's a little noisy here. was gonna say, I didn't know you had your phone back, but that's good news. What a relief. I suppose you're right. Yeah, kind of figured. DPU coming up in the 199. 2852. Yeah, I know, but at least those are the tier 2 versions. What's that? Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, I remember you did say something about that. I'm gonna take that back. This is 197. Here's the last of it. DDX 657 009 and the train device is going. That'll do it for the 197.
That's really cool, Mr. Hayes.
Yes, it is. All right, 2155, last train for tonight. Southbound has arrived at Met the Q197, led by the 2866. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Gate drop. Chivo again. Tier 4 in it. Manifest this time. 2939. 5840 of the UP. 5840 4CWCTE. A horn salute as well. 9 and 342. DPU coming up! It's your 4 credit, and that was the $29.99 again. Here's the last M342. TLX 673, 625. And the train device is going. will do it for the M342. We'll do it here at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and I will see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.